So how easy is it to make $10,000 per month by publishing with Amazon KDP? With my experience of over 4 years in helping thousands of self-publishers to publish books with Amazon KDP, it's actually quite difficult. But let's have a look on YouTube to see what people are promising and what you can actually make. It's actually quite interesting to see when you type in Amazon KDP what results come up. So we're going to have a look at those in a moment. Now, if you haven't been to my channel before, welcome. My name is Romney. I'm the founder of Global Self-Publishing, and I also run a community of like-minded publishers on school.com. So if you're interested in looking at that community and joining us to talk everything self-publishing and also joining on a weekly Q&A session call with me directly, then make sure you check out that link. So let's get into this video. Let me jump onto YouTube now. Let me find out what some of these promises are and if it's actually true. Can you make $10,000 per month publishing books? And then I'll give you my take on where I think self-publishing needs to be, some of the lies that are out there, and what you really do need to know when you first publish, or even seasoned publishers on Amazon, how they are actually earning money and how much they actually do earn. Let's get into it now. So to start with, what I've done is typed Amazon KDP into the search engine bar. Let's see what comes up. So to begin with, there might be some of these people that legitimately do earn a lot of money with Amazon, but there are probably a lot of people that use thumbnails which attract people to view the videos, of course, with this big hook of earning $10,000 per month, even more. Let's have a look through and see what some of the thumbnails are promising, and be interesting to see whether they're leading you into an area perhaps of false hope and disappointment, because if you're expecting to be earning these big dollars and you don't, there's a likelihood that you might just drop away and stop publishing, which I'd hate to see. So with Sean's a prolific YouTuber with some big views. So this one talking about how he's made $1.53 million with Amazon KDP. This one, complete tutorial, making $0 to $10,000 per month. That's a big call. Keep going down. The simple method, make $39,647. That's an unusual number. So that's creating coloring books. Then if we keep going down, $7,549 per month. Watching this. Another simple method, $11,094. So I found the easiest way to make money online with Amazon using AI. You can see how some of these are leading people down a pathway where they probably get that false hope, where they think that earning all this money comes easily, and it certainly doesn't. Let's go back and type in Amazon KDP. We'll do passive income, and we'll see what comes up with these thumbnails. So we're looking at $5,478 per month. I sold blank books on Amazon. There's me, $5,000 passive. How long does it take? So in this video, I actually talk about how long it took me to make $5,000, and you'll be surprised it took quite a while for me to earn that income. So that's a video. If you want to watch that, make sure you do. But again, I've tried to talk the truth about what you can expect. If we keep going down here, $1,000 in 10 minutes. I'd like to earn that. That would be fascinating to have a look at that video. And it's Book of Bolt, Amazon KDP Side Hustles, No Loans. Interesting. If we keep going down here even further, $5,000 months, $1,500 per month. And yeah, that's interesting. It fascinates me, these big claims of, yeah, so this one's here. I tried selling empty books on Amazon to make passive income. So he's got a thumbnail there suggesting he's made $8,055 per month with a blank book. However, it's also spiral, if you can see the spiral on there, which you can't actually do on Amazon KDP. So that's interesting in itself. This one here, get paid $10,531, Amazon KDP low content publishing, coloring book secrets. It just goes on, and I'm just a bit concerned that there are people that are being led along the wrong pathway. So let me talk a little bit more about the expectations and what I see is the best method forward for your publishing and how to earn income from Amazon. Now that we've seen some of these videos and the clickbait titles that are being used, I'd love to hear your comments. What do you actually feel is appropriate or is inappropriate? Are you still watching these videos well knowing that they're probably going to be providing some false hope? Or do you still watch them but maybe extract some information from these videos that you can use in your own publishing? I'd just be fascinated to know, because I've completely avoided watching these videos that are promising thousands of dollars per month. I just know from my experience of publishing that it is just very, very hard to do unless you've been publishing for years and years. And many of these videos don't point out some of the critical features and facts of self-publishing. Is that it takes time. You've got to create quality books. You can't just be relying on AI technology to publish. You've got to use marketing and advertising. And overall, your books need to be unique. You need to be finding niches that are not so competitive. So there's a lot of moving parts which don't tend to be pointed out in these videos. So that's one of the crucial things that I feel is letting people down. And I want you to publish successfully, but I also want you to have a realistic expectation of what you can expect when you do publish. And we do know that there's a lot of terrible books that are being uploaded because Amazon is free to upload your books unless you decide to purchase your own ISBN. But that's probably where it stops. Yes, it's free to upload. However, that's pretty much, your book's going to sit idle unless you use marketing and advertising. And if you use the right software products to try and find profitable niches, you need to invest a lot of time into it, because those moving parts are challenging to get across all the time. And it's a launch strategy process that you need to implement when you are first publishing as well, that needs to be taken into consideration. But just give me some feedback about this video. Tell me what you're liking about these other videos, maybe some people that you follow that you know are in it for the right reasons and not just trying to get massive views for their videos or sell $500 courses. There's a lot of different reasons if you look under the layers about some of these videos that are being created. So just be very wary of those. And make sure you follow and watch videos that you know the people have your best interests at heart. And that's important. There are some YouTubes out there that are doing great things, and I think that's fantastic. I'm not going to provide names because I think you need to identify people yourself that you feel comfortable, that are giving you the right information, that are not giving you false hope, are giving you the right expectations of self-publishing, and also letting you know about the right tools that you need to use for publishing with Amazon or even Ingram Spark as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to join my community on School, just check it out. I'm not going to talk too much about it in this video, but I do know that for those members that are in there, we're thoroughly enjoying the opportunity to connect with each other, talk about our publishing, and also I've got my first Q&A session today where I'm going to be discussing self-publishing. They get the opportunity to talk to me about my thoughts and feelings about about publishing. So if you want to jump on that community, make sure you do so and check out the link below. So until my next video is created, I'll look forward to seeing you then.